Want to secure your NFTs with a cold wallet? Here's how to do it safely. First, understand that a cold wallet is a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, kept offline to protect your private keys from hacks. Start by buying a trusted cold wallet directly from the official website to avoid tampered devices. Once you get it, set it up by creating a new wallet and write it down your seed phrase on a paper. Never store it digitally or online. Next, connect your cold wallet to your computer or phone and use a platform like MetaMask or Wallet Connect to then link it and transfer your NFTs from your hot wallet to the cold wallet address. Finally, confirm ownership on the device. Once transferred, your NFTs are stored securely offline, safe from phishing, malware, or exchange risks. And that's it. With a cold wallet, your NFTs stay protected and under your full control. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.